we do what each of us do best. So yes, they will own the plants around the world, starting with the one here in the US. We'll own the tooling. We'll be in charge of development, design. We will market the vehicles, sell the vehicles, and we have some degree of profit share. And I think it really incentivized both of us to reach our very aggressive target of a sales price under $30,000 before incentives. And that would truly be a revolution if you can create a premium EV under $30,000.
Where in the US is it going to be? Have you finalized that yet?
Well, we are, of course, looking at several sites. We've got in talks with a couple of states, so we have narrowed it down to about 3-4 states. And of course, one of them is Wisconsin, because Foxconn already have a plan there. But as a public company, we need to do enough due diligence to make sure wherever we choose is the best business-wise for both Foxconn and Fisker.
What do you make of all the volatility around your stock, electric vehicle stocks in general, whether it's concerns about higher interest rates or just Elon Musk tweeting something?
Well, I think we get lumbered in with a lot of the EV startups, and there is a lot of EV startups out there. And as I said, I think we really differentiate ourselves by the Foxconn deal, by working with Magna. And that's something which I think takes a little time to understand. It's a complex industry. There's a lot of excitement when somebody announces a car until people realize it usually takes 3 to 4 years to deliver a car, and then you have to make a high-quality car. And so far, nobody's really proven as a startup they could do that right out of the gate. And I think that's going to be one of the true advantages of Fisker. We're going to come out right out of the gate with a high-quality car next year. By the way, starting under $37,500, that means we have very little competition. There is hardly any electric SUV that's been announced for $37,500.
That said, do you wish in an ideal world, I guess this is a hypothetical, Henrik, that you'd moved earlier? Are you going to be launching your cars at a time when there really is very genuine competition now from all of the traditional automakers? It's not just trying to play catch up to Tesla. It's going to be many, many players you're competing with.
Actually, I don't wish that, because we have some new technologies that wasn't available 6 months ago. We just chose our battery technology, which I think will beat anybody out there. We have a new screen, just announced a collaboration with Sharp, which is owned by Foxconn. We're going to have a screen with higher resolution than anybody out there. Remember, if you buy an electric vehicle next year from anybody else but us, most likely that technology was decided 2, 3, 4 years ago. So anything will seem old compared to the Fisker you're going to be buying next year. So actually, I think we're perfectly situated to take a pretty good market share, maybe even more than we have announced.